What's up? It's me, Jimmy Geek. So hey, the 3M gel wrist rest. As you know, my wrists are now very painful. It's really hurting. Oh, I'm sorry. Because I'm using this mechanical keyboard, the height is quite high, so I put like this. It's torturing my wrist. So yeah, 3M. I bought it from Amazon. Let me just gently open it. First thing is that never open a box like an animal. Like, do not try to salvage the box. Sometimes you have to return back to Amazon. So it's much better you have a proper box. Maybe you change your mind, you wanna return, or the product is not good. Oh, I can feel it. I personally like the ocean. Come on, how I can get out? Okay, okay. There's no. It's not like protected. Okay, stuck inside. I said I don't wanna wreck the box. Okay, I wanna open calmly. Okay. I really don't wanna destroy the box. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's done from here. Oh yeah. Oh no. My teacup just fallen down. I'm going to make some tea later on. Firstly, I love the oceanic look here. It's very refreshing. It's very smoothing, working from home like. Okay. I mean, this one is perfect for keyboard for your laptop. Full size keyboard. Again, I consider this one a full size keyboard. This is a big mechanical keyboard, but the wrist is quite wide, which I appreciate. As you can see, for example, how to use this is first time I'm using. Before I use like this to type. Mostly I'm not a 10 type finger type. I love typing with 2 finger like. So let's try with this one. Okay. It's slipping, my hands are slipping, maybe I need to do like this. Because I'm a little bit new like this. How do you image say? Okay, there's a space. There should be a space, okay. Okay, let me do like this. Oh, it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. It's very refreshing. Oh, I'm on an island. Let's make some money from the beach. I mean, I can easily pay $100 for this one. I only pay like 15 US dollar, 1.5. I can easily pay $100 for this thing because it make me happy. Yeah, this is a must buy. I mean, $15. I need to like buy 3 or 4 and stock it. Maybe this one over the years, over the months, maybe it will be wear down. I love it. I love it. Thumbs up, Jimmy Geek. So happy. Like, oh, it's quite good. And quickly, wait, I wanna demonstrate with my laptop. Just wait. My laptop is coming. Okay, my OLED 4K laptop. $2,500 laptop. Yeah, this one is $2,500 laptop. Okay, 15-inch full size keyboard again. Wow, it's very comfortable. Wow, before I do like this, like, oh, so painful. It's hurting my wrist now. You need to have a space. Okay, some space. Now it's bad. Do not do like this. You can do it for a laptop because there's some space to put your hand even here. But I like this one. Again, it depends on you. Wow, I love it. Subscribe and buy. This is a must buy. I mean, I love it. Bye.